Today we are going to see some Python tricks and tips that every programmer should know. Let's see the program. The tips number 1. How to measure the time elapsed to execute your code in Python. Let's say you want to calculate the time taken to complete the execution of your code. Using a time module, you can calculate the time taken to execute your code. Let's see in program. To calculate the time execution of your code, just import time module. Next, I want to start the time with time module time.time. The next step is print a small code hello world program. I need to end up my time with the time module time.time. To calculate the time elapsed of your code, just subtract from end time to start time. Then print a total time that required to execute your small code. Save your program and run. To print a hello world statement, Python took this amount of seconds. That's cool. How to get a difference between two lists? Let's see the program. I just created a two list. List 1 contains dog, cat, monkey, lion, tiger. List 2 contains dog, cat, monkey. Now, if you want to create a third list from the first list, which isn't present in the second list, so you want the output like list 3 is equal to lion and tiger. Let's see the best way to do this without looping and checking. To get all the differences, you have to use the set symmetric difference operation. Let's see how to use it. To apply set symmetric difference operation, you want to convert these two lists into sets. Let's set 1 is equal to set of list 1. The same as set 2 is equal to set of list 2. Now we are going to use a set difference operator. Let's say list 3 is equal to list of. We are going to combine these two sets, set 1 and set 2, and remove the same items present in these two sets. For that, I use symmetric difference method to print my required result. Symmetric difference of set 2. It will combine set 1 and set 2 together and filtering the matching values in set 1 and set 2. Then it prints the identical element. Let's print the identical element. Print of list 3. Save and run the program. Lion and tiger will be printed. Trick number 3. How to calculate the memory is being used by an object in Python. Whenever you see any data structure such as list or dictionary or any object to store values or records, it is good to practice to check how much memory your data structure is uses. To know how much memory data structure used in your program, use the system.getSizeOf function defined in the system module to get the memory used by built-in objects. This function returns the size of an object in bytes. Let's see the program. The basic requirements is to import the system. Here I created a list: student, teacher, principal, head of the department. I'm going to print the size of the list using system.getSizeOf list of 1. Let's run the program. We got the output 44. The size of the list is 44. We can also find the size of the string. Let's check an example. Learn easy tutorial. Now I'm going to print the size of the given string using system.getSizeOf name. Let's save and run the program. we got the size of the string also. Trick number 4. How to remove the duplicate items from a list. Most of the time, we wanted to remove or find the duplicate item from the list. Let's see how to delete duplicate from the list. The best approach is to convert a list into set. We know that sets are unordered data structure of unique values and don't allow copies. Let's do it by demo program. Here I created a list, list1, so I'm going to print this list. Save and run the program. A list is printed. Now I'm going to remove the duplicate values in the list. Our first step is I want to convert this list into set. So set of list1. I'm going to store in a temporary variable. Here we use a set which removes the duplicate values from the list. Then we reassign the set to the list. Let's print the temporary variable. Save and run the program. After duplication, our output will 34, 42, 43, 12, 53, 21, 23. Here, the duplicate values 53 is printed once.